welcome back to our channel. Today I have some sweets. So let me tell you what type of sweets, some variety of sweets here. So let me tell you what sweets I have. These are some leftovers from the party. So I'm going to tell you what we have. So I'll also tell you what happened at the party, and I'll tell you why we have the party and who it's for. So here we have some cupcakes, some pink cupcakes, some donuts, like with this golden part and white, and then we have some edible beads and some white icing, whatever it's called. And then we have this nice like chocolate, and then we have this icing, frosting, whatever it's called. And then we have another cupcake. We have some Lindo chocolate cupcakes, and then I don't know what these are exactly called. These two are exactly called, but the the white Oreos, or like, I don't know what these are, lemon flavor Oreos or whatever they're called. The Oreos, and I'll show you what's on the inside. There's Oreos that are covered with white chocolate, and the white chocolate has some food coloring of pink inside it, and we have some beads, and we have some cute chocolates here. So let's get started. And also for drink, I have some Orange Crush in my cup. No ice today. The ice machine's not working, or whatever it's called. It's so hard to open. Oh, that spread on me. That's a lot of Orange Crush. So let's get started. I really want to have the windows. Let's have the window. So yeah, so this is a birthday party. We had a birthday party, a surprise birthday party for my older sister. And that's why we had some leftover foods here. So we had a cake. We couldn't fit the cake in, so I was so surprised. I knew on Tuesday or Monday. I don't remember. So my second older sister, no. My mom, no. So, we and then we had it so Saturday, and we surprised them, and we surprised my sister. These people came home, and there was a little boy who ran around the place. It was so fun. No chocolate. These look so cute. That's really fizzy. Of a donut. It's like edible pizza. That is good. Ladies and gentlemen. You can have one of these. Oh, I'm scared. They might fall. Oh, they fall. Okay. So here it is. It's so good. Got the icing. So I picked up the bead. Okay. So what happened was this lady made like all of these. Except for some people made these cupcakes. I keep on getting the icing with the white chocolate pulp. Okay. So if you guys see that little brown thing and the white in the middle, and this brown, I can't really see them. I put up The lady said that it was oil. I was taking this to see if this is Rachel, but it's actually this. I love Crush. We had all types of drinks. We had Crush, Purple Crush, Pink Crush, with beer and all those things. I love. Remember, what's your favorite chocolate? My favorite chocolate is Linda. No way, it's the best. Stop it, so cute. I should have this. This is so good. Big. Like so sugary. It's like a birthday party, so it's so good. I think this is my favorite. And these. Let's have this cupcake. So good. Even though Crush is sweet, it's a little bit cutting down all the sweets. I like that. Okay, I'm gonna try this dark on. Okay, guys. Yesterday we had it was so much fun. There's like this baby boy. Where from? I had too much sweets, and I'm still full. Still, really full. So yeah, guys, I'm so full. I don't know. Okay, another bite. Let's go. Okay. I'm gonna have this donut. I'm full, but I'm gonna have a little more for you guys. I get like presents for all three of us. All three of us. I got this like water bottle, some chocolate, and I got a water bottle. So I'm really full, guys. So thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Thank you for watching. Bye.